Hey guys, welcome to Boating for Beginners, a channel dedicated to new boaters where you'll learn how to get started for the first time. Now I'm going to push it forward and you'll see the bow rise, see? How to deal with those rough seas. Info on gadgets that'll help you with your boating. This is a hand portable by Cobra. So at 30 feet, you can see what's on the seabed. Even how to wax and buff your boat for that ultimate shine. Not done. Well, there's the bit that's done. How to plane a boat. And now we're planing, guys. So subscribe now and hit that bell. See you out on the water, guys, and welcome aboard.